Today we're going to talk about reflexology and exactly how does it work and what is it. Reflexology is based on the science that there are 10 energetic lines in the human body, 5 on one side and 5 on the other, and they're longitudinal. They run up and down, just like the longitude lines of a map. You can use any part of the body to access these points that, when stimulated, will clear energetic blockages in the body. And it's not hoochie coochie new age, it's science. The body has electrical currents, it's been measured. These blockages can occur for many reasons. The obvious ones are stress, bad diet, sedentary life, too much smoking and drinking, and all of that wild partying. But more than anything, I think that your attitude and your kind of essence is going to also have a huge effect on your physical health. But we'll dive into that another day. So these energy blockages can be released by pressing different spots on the body. There are spots for all kinds of things, for boosting your metabolic rate, for crankiness, for sciatica, for neck pain, for back pain, for lungs, for liver, for ears, for eyes, and for everything. Usually, the meridians on the right side of the body are for the right side of the body and the left to the left side of the body. We use mostly the hands and feet because those trigger points are very easy to find and they're very direct. We're going to talk about the different spots on the hands and the feet. The holistic approach of Pilates and reflexology and acupuncture and all these wonderful modalities of staying healthy are different from traditional medicine because in these holistic modalities, we are responsible for our well-being and our health. It's not just take a pill and then just do whatever the hell you want and just get on with your life. You really have to stop and assess the cause of whatever your disturbance is and try to adapt a different kind of life tone so that you can have a better sense of well-being. The techniques that are used in the reflexology are varied. Some of them are sliding, just up and down. Sliding is really good for like spinal reflexes. Some are known as kneading and all of twisting, and we're going to get into all of those different aspects. The important thing to remember is that the ears are very sensitive for reflexology, the hands and the feet. And when in doubt, just rub it out. Just squeezing your hands and your feet is also a plus when you find yourself in a minute of stress. This is Pilates Master Nikki, and I'll see you in